$11,000 bond, 3 charges, 2 felonies. How long until jail?
Good afternoon, your name?
Keely.
Okay, Keely Foster?
Yes, Foster.
Okay, this is a new felony file, different from yesterday, 240803FY. I'm going to read it to you.
Your Honor, Jordan Safey on behalf of Ms. Foster. We did review the charging document, waive a formal reading. Ms. Foster was screened for court-appointed attorney and does qualify.
Good.
No, I don't.
So you don't have a court-appointed attorney on this. The Public Defender's Office will be representing you in this matter. Your bond is set at $1,000 cash or surety. Do you wish to argue bond?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Foster is from Plainwell area. She does have reliable transportation to the court. I don't believe she has any significant history with the court. We would ask the court to consider a PR bond in this matter.
So you're already out on bond on one felony, right? And then you have a pending misdemeanor, and then you caught this. So I think we'll leave that at $1,000 cash surety. You already had, that is no drugs, no alcohol, no marijuana, all right, while you're on bond. Already have next court date. March 7th is your probable cause conference. March 12th is your preliminary hearing. That's all in courtroom B in front of Judge Belargin. You will get copies
So
of
I'm going to be out of here?
No, ma'am. You're going to be sitting in jail in between your court dates because you have 3 criminal offenses, 2 of which are felonies.
I don't have 3. I only have
4 months. Okay.
I only have 1.
Thank you.
Dude, I only have 1 charge. You're reading that wrong. You're reading that wrong. I only have 1. How many?
You have
how many days
resisting and obstructing. You have a resisting and obstructing felony from October 7th of last year. That's only 4 months ago. All right, you're all set. Thank you.
How many days am I going to be in here for?
Well, I just read you your next court dates, right?
No, you didn't.
You're all set, ma'am.
Bro.
Foster, come on.
Bro. What the fuck am I to be in here? Why am I tripping, dude? I'm not fucking pregnant. Shit.
Kim, going up.
Whoa, right off the bat, notice how quickly the court tries to get basic info. But already you can sense the tension. This isn't just routine paperwork. Stakes are rising fast.
Court calls the case of the people versus Cody Jolly. Hello, what's your name?
Cody Lee Jolly.
There was no counsel, please.
How did that happen?
I was representing myself.
You're going to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what do you want to do today?
Is this pre-trial then?
This is a probable cause conference. Well, that concerns me if you don't know that and they're going to represent
Yeah,
yourself.
I'm going to plead not guilty in this case.
Okay, you already entered a plea. What are you going to do at the hearing today?
The hearing today?
Yes.
I'm just going to plead not guilty.
Okay, that's you've done that.
Right.
So what do you want to do with this case?
I mean, it's up to you. I'm not understanding.
No, you're not. It's not up to me.
You
Tell me what you want to do.
Pre-trial.
Pardon?
My hope was to take it to pre-trial.
Well, the next stage will be a preliminary examination. Is that what you want?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
The preliminary hearing?
Yeah.
It's another case similar to this, and then there's other options. If I'm seeking discovery, or if I'm seeking this, if I'm seeking that.
Oh,
before trial. For trial, right?
Is there a reason you don't want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, Your
Because I
Honor.
see this thing
I've
going
represent-
south real fast.
I represented myself before and I prefer to, Your Honor.
Have you requested discovery?
I have not.
Why not? You're here at probable cause conference. Why haven't you requested discovery?
The, for me, there was no issue, there was no conflict, there's no case. There's no case whatsoever that.
You requested this.
Hang on a second. She's claiming only one charge, but the court's reading 3. Classic courtroom miscommunication that can seriously affect bond decisions. Who's keeping track here?
Discovery. You know what discovery
Can I
is?
request?
Do you know what discovery is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
All the evidence in the case.
Okay, have you requested that from the people?
I have not.
Then how do you know there's nothing there?
Can I request it now?
You're gonna have to do it in your own way to request it.
Do you
I
want
mean,
it by-
I can't help you through this process.
Would you like
wanna
it by mail?
represent yourself,
I'd like to represent myself more.
then you're gonna have to request discovery.
Do you want me to request discovery?
I don't care what you do. I'm just telling you, if you're gonna represent yourself, you're gonna need to request discovery. You haven't even requested discovery.
I currently I am right now. If you'd rather me do it by mail, I can do it by mail.
Well, there's a way in which you do it.
I understand. You have filed to the circuit, to the circuit court, to the prosecutor,
Oh, for Pete's sakes.
and also to the
No,
DES.
that is not how it happens.
In front of you, then, is the other.
No,
Okay, how does that happen then? Sure. Then,
I'm not here to help you.
I understand.
I'm here to set the case.
I filed for case of studies.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. People have their witnesses available on the 12th?
We could try, Your Honor.
Well, you can at least start it.
Yes.
Okay, that's what we'll do.
He was made aware of its constitutional right to an attorney and he's officially
He
ready,
was made aware of that before,
just making sure that it's on.
and he wishes to proceed forth. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the dangers in representing yourself.
I do understand.
Did you want counsel to help you?
No, I do not. Not now this time.
Your Honor, and just for the record, and so that defendant is aware, he is charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct. That is a high court misdemeanor, punishable by up to 2 years, and or $500.
You understand that, sir,
right?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Let's not set it for 3 then. Do you know how to, you don't even know how to go about getting the discovery on this case, do you? Do you want to talk to somebody about how to try to get your discovery on it?
I can honestly do it myself. If you'd like me to discover, I can file for discovery.
You don't even know how to do that.
Okay,
Do you know what you do to get discovery?
before, usually when I file most, I file them by mail or in front of the judge, who I requested.
Okay, look. Trying to offer you somebody to talk to so they can show you how to get your discovery. Would you like to?
This is the ultimate courtroom tension. He refuses help, but the judge is clearly worried about him stumbling. It's like watching a legal thriller unfold in real time. Would you take on your own case like this?
Do that. So how do you intend on getting your discovery? Because you file a motion and you haven't requested it of the prosecutor. I'm not granting it. You're going to be wasting everybody's time.
Okay, so if you don't accept it by mail or in front of you, in what way would you prefer me to file for the motion?
Oh, for Pete's sakes.
Every judge is different, so.
No, every judge in this county isn't different. Welcome to Washington.
I've been in Washington, I think. Fortunately. Yeah.
Would you like somebody to help you at least tell you how to get discovery in this case?
If someone wants to tell me, that'd be great, but I still prefer to represent myself.
I don't care if you represent yourself.
What's wrong?
I'm asking you because you have no discovery. You're going to walk into a preliminary examination,
Yes, if you
and it's going to be a problem.
right, if you prefer it to be.
I don't
Motion
care.
be filed
I'm not.
differently
It's
than
not an
myself.
issue of my preference.
Okay.
I'm trying to get somebody to help you before you become an absolute disaster regarding this case. So I will make the offer again. Would you like to talk to somebody about how to get your discovery?
I would love to talk to him anyway.
Mr. Gaddy, will you please speak with this gentleman about how to get his discovery? I would appreciate it.
That's better, I'll leave it.
Oh, I'm not passing. I'm just gonna give a new date,
Oh, okay.
because it's not gonna come back up here before me, not today. I'll adjourn this matter to March 21st, 2023, for 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Yes, Your Honor. I have a question for you, and, I have a tether that's on that I can't afford. Is there any way that it was just because of stipulations of ROR? I'm wondering if it's possible to remove it.
To remove the tether?
Yes, Your Honor. Since I'm not a flight risk or anything, I'm just living in town.
Denied.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Okay. So 1 o'clock. Are we, I'm gonna need a break. I just, even if it's just 5 minutes, go to take a brief recess.